Get acquainted with the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. Introducing the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid, a luxurious SUV that redefines eco-friendly elegance. Powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain, the Nautilus Hybrid delivers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Its sleek, sophisticated exterior is matched by a spacious, meticulously crafted interior, featuring cutting-edge technology like the Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 suite and an intuitive infotainment system. Enjoy unparalleled comfort, enhanced safety features, and a smooth, responsive drive in this remarkable hybrid SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, heated front seat, cooled front seat, backup camera. Step into the future of luxury driving with the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid, where innovation meets sophistication.